Welcome to my brief video tutorial on nesting address lists. This activity is based on activity 5-2 out of the MCSE Guide to Microsoft Exchange Server 2003 Administration Book. The 13-digit ISBN number 978-1-4239-02669. This brief video tutorial we will be completing approximately 14 steps to nest an address list. To create a nested address list under the country address list that we created in previous activity. So let's begin. So the first process, we need to launch Microsoft Exchange System Manager. To do that, we'll click on Start. We'll point to All Programs, Microsoft Exchange, and the System Manager. Once System Manager loads, we'll go ahead and select the recipient container. From within the recipient container, we'll click the plus sign next to All Address List container. From the All Address List, we'll right-click on the country recipient list. And on the shortcut menu, we'll click Properties. From the Properties, the dialog box appears, along with the filter rules. So we'll click the Remove button to remove the current conditions for the filters. And poof, they're gone. We'll click OK to return to the Exchange System menu. We're going to right-click on the country recipient list again. We're going to move the pointer to New, and then we're going to select Address List. The Address List dialog box appears, and we're going to type in City Recipient List. Once that's typed in, excuse me, we're going to click Filter Rules. From the Filter Rule dialog box on the General tab, we're going to uncheck all the boxes with the exception of users with Exchange mailboxes, which is the first one. Then to specify the criteria we want to use, we'll select the Advanced tab. From within the Advanced tab, we're going to go ahead and select the Field button. From Users Field, we're going to go ahead and click the City. And from the City, in the Conditions field, we'll select Starts With from the drop down, but it's there by default. If necessary, in the Value field, we'll type in City, which is the condition. Go ahead and select OK. Do we wish to add it to the current search? We'll go ahead and select Yes. The address list confirmation box appears. We'll go ahead and select Finish. And it brings us back to the Exchange System Manager. Go ahead and File and Exit. So in them 14 steps, we created, or we nested an address list using Exchange 2003. Just to recap, from our Exchange System Manager, we drilled down to the recipient container. From there, we went into the All Address Lists, right-clicked on our recipient list. We removed any existing filter rules. In the Address List box, we then right-clicked, added a new list. From there, we named it. We clicked on the filter rules, and we applied the filters to the rule, or to the container. Thank you for watching the brief video tutorial on nesting address lists. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post it in the form below.